first sewing vlog of 2025. Happy New Year, my creative tribe. You wonderful humans who make my day with your views and sweet comments. Who needs a social life when I have you guys hyping me up? Wishing you all a year filled with loads of money. Not for shallow reasons, but because money buys freedom and freedom buys peace. Let's take a moment to appreciate my first ever vest. I mean, look at it. The finishing is so sharp, it could cut glass. And the lining? It's so pretty. It's giving couture realness. Oh, I also got a haircut. There's something about chopping off your hair that makes you feel like you can conquer the world. It's the kind of dopamine boost you need every now and then. Because let's be honest, what's life without these fleeting bursts of confidence? Of course, this high is as fragile as my patience on a Monday morning. The second I wash my hair, it's game over. Goodbye volume, hello flat, uncooperative reality. But for now, let me relish the confidence. Lately, a good day for me is all about scoring groceries and veggies at a bargain deal. Honestly, it feels like winning the Olympics of adulthood. I scored an avocado for just 65 rupees. And now I finally understand why my mom used to come home beaming when she scored a kilo of tomatoes at half price. It's like the KBC jackpot moment for adults. The irony, I used to roll my eyes at her. Look at me now. Practically morphing into her with every passing deal. It's terrifying, and yet here we are. Anyway, with this legendary avocado find, the obvious next step is avocado toast, my favorite breakfast.
All these dried up bones are running wild on this holy night. Sitting by the traffic lights, don't know. I don't know if I should go. I once called this home. Same old rusty fence and cracks and dents. Puddles in the pavement, yet I don't know. I don't know which way to go.
Just like everyone else, I have finally joined the Squid Game 2 bandwagon. There was a time when I would hit play on a new season faster than my mom asking, "When are you having a baby?" But these days, oh no, I wait. I need reviews, analysis, maybe even a TED talk convincing me it's worth my time. Why? Because I don't have the energy to invest in another disappointment. Game of Thrones finale season taught me that. Now I approach new seasons like a cautious investor. What's the ROI on my binge watching? Will this bring me joy or just regret at 3 a.m.? Thankfully, Squid Game 2 seems worth the risk. So far, no regrets. I finally got the package I have been eagerly waiting for. My 2025 planner, aka the key to my pretend to have it all together year. My husband, who has finally earned the title of Secret Santa for life, ordered it for me. At first, I was mildly disappointed because it arrived after a few days into the new year. I mean, how am I supposed to plan my January world domination if the planner shows up late? But then I remembered it's life. I need to lower my expectations. But now that I have it, I am thrilled. The packaging, chef's kiss. They had few cover designs, but I went for this one because it's clean and minimalistic. It says small steps every day, which is also my 2025 mantra, consistency. Because if I can't be perfect, at least I can be persistent. Oh, they have also included stickers. As a self-proclaimed stationery girly, you can imagine my excitement. Stickers in a planner. It's like they know the way to my heart. I was ready to turn every task into an event with a cute little star or heart sticker, because why not? I couldn't wait to start writing in it. I felt like a giddy little kid getting their first journal. I immediately began jotting things down.
Endless nights in candlelight.
Are you tired of your plain white shirts judging you for their boring existence? Because same. I mean, new year, new me is cute and all, but let's face it, once you hit your 30s, you're just happy if your back doesn't hurt after doing the bare minimum work. So instead of upgrading my life, I'm upgrading my clothes. I'm gonna add some simple embroidery to this shirt. It's so easy, even a high school kid could do it. All you need is a cotton shirt or a top, nothing stretchy unless you're aiming for abstract embroidery. Embroidery thread. Anchor thread is your best bet. It won't bleed unlike that one time you trusted someone with your secrets. A needle sharp enough to pierce fabric, not your ego. Next, you would need a scissor to cut those threads. And the last thing you would need is an embroidery hook. It keeps the fabric in place, reduces fabric tantrums, and saves your sanity. These frames are cheap, so ditch the frugal mindset and buy one. It's an one-time investment in your creative future. You can totally mark the flowers with a pencil, but I suggest you guys to buy water erasable pen. This magical wand is a game changer for both embroidery and sewing. Mark away with all the confidence in the world, and when you're done, just steam iron it or dab a bit of water. Poof, the markings will vanish. First, I'm marking points randomly just to get a rough idea where I want the flower placement, and then I'll draw the flowers. It's my version of connect the dots. And then I started drawing some simple flowers as shown. 5 petals is perfect for this embroidery. Alright, let's get cracking. Fix the frame to the fabric like it's about to star in a masterpiece. Grab your thread, thread the needle, tie a knot at one end, and start making those pretty flowers. Now, full disclosure, I have no clue how to explain this in words. So do yourself a favor and watch the video and learn. Trust me, some things in life are better learned visually. If you know, you know. Wink wink. Oh, and don't forget to make this a whole vibe. Put on your favorite show or soundtrack, because embroidery is not just crafting, it's therapy disguised as productivity. Me, I'll add some calming music to this video for you to enjoy.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you.
After a soul-soothing embroidery session, it's time to make my body happy. I mean, let's make lunch. I'm just gonna toss everything I have got in a bowl and call it a salad. Lately, salad is my new obsession. Fresh, healthy, and surprisingly tasty. And since I'm Indian, I can't resist adding chaat masala and black salt. Because why have a regular salad when you can have a chaat? Let's face it, what's life without a little spice? After all, we weren't looted for our spices just to make bland salads.
Just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
I started the day overly ambitious, thinking that I can make 2 shirts, but the current me knows I can barely finish 1 shirt. But honestly, I did not want to rush it. I wanted to savor the process like it was a fine wine. Or in my case, a cup of tea I kept reheating because I forgot to drink it while stitching. The slow and steady approach felt poetic until I saw the clock and realized slow and steady had stolen my entire day. And let's talk about my back. It's officially petitioning for a vacation or at least a nap. So here's to this one shirt. It's not just a shirt, it's a testament to my endurance, a labor of love, and my complete underestimation of time management.
One eternity later.
Yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done?